course, the second I get moving, goddamn phone alarm goes off. Hey world, what's going on? Welcome to another one. I'm pissed today. It's like 32 degrees out right now. We're comfy as a clam. And I went to the DMV today to register the truck that I got. And I got turned away because I did not have an emissions test from the state of Connecticut. It's an out-of-state vehicle, which is fine. Like, I did all my due diligence. I even had my dad check over all the paperwork last night because he's obviously got a lot more experience than I do registering vehicles and stuff like that. He was, I don't want to say shocked to find that we, as it turned out, didn't have everything we needed, but what do you call it? I guess you need an emissions test from the state of Connecticut or your own state if it's being registered from another state, which I guess, like, that makes sense. I'm fine with that. Like, what pissed me off was the guy told me, you know, you come back, you could go around the corner, there's this place he recommended, come back, get it and come back. And ever since COVID, the DMV, at least in my state, has been doing appointment only. That's it. Which I think is kind of questionable at this point. You know, like, you're really gonna blame COVID for that? Like, you won't do walk-ins. So I went back less than an hour later with my emissions test. I had everything I needed. I gave the guy at the door my sheet or whatever, my appointment thing that I had gotten before, and they said I needed a new appointment. And I looked when I was getting the emissions done, and I couldn't do an appointment day of. The website won't let you schedule appointments day of. And they're so busy that the earliest appointment I could get with my work schedule is 19 days away. So I've just got a truck in my driveway that I'm insuring it. But that is how it be going. I hope everybody else is doing good. I got the heated gloves on max today. Don't know how long I'll be out. It's pretty cold. And I'm trying a new jacket. I got a new jacket. Can't remember what it's called. First Manufacturing Company or something like that. I like it. It's a nice jacket. Probably a little bit ill-suited for this weather. I do feel a little bit cold, like on my arms and stuff, where I feel like I probably would be feeling fine if I were in my brown leather jacket. But I didn't get this to be a winter jacket. I just wanted to try it. I've got about 5 layers on up top, 3 down low, 2 pairs of socks. I suppose I could be on some slower roads too, but yeah, why not? Let's do that. I almost took the bike to the DMV. I was gonna, but yeah, it was like 22 or something this morning when I was leaving. So I said, you know what, ice wise, let's just avoid that. Take it a little bit easy over here, you know. I see a little dusties, little sands, you know. What is it like riding in cold weather like this? If you've ever gone skiing, I guess it's the same thing. Pretty similar. You layer up, you're out in the cold, you're moving in the cold, like boom boom in the cold. It's fine, you know. What's the big deal? Look at this rock wall. Took a really nice road to get to the DMV today. I went down to the shoreline, and mental note to go up there for the or go back when it's a little bit warmer. I don't usually listen to music, to be honest. Well, for one thing, I tend to be like vlogging a lot, but even still, like I don't like the lack of awareness. And even like I have it going right now, it's not too loud, you know. It's like if I'm stopped, I still want to be able to hear things around me, you know. I don't have a way to pause because I don't want to get a quad locky thing. I probably should. Maybe not a quad lock, because I haven't seen a mount that works comfortably. Maybe if I could get something here, or if I loosen this, move it over or something. Yeah, we needed some throttle therapy today, I think. After that, it's just crazy, dude. Like, I probably average over 2 visits, or, you know, like 1.8 visits to the DMV for every time I've needed to get something done. And I try to do my due diligence and make sure I've got fucking what I need. You know, can't win though. Mr. Mailman. Didn't think I had my wallet on me for a second, which wouldn't be the end of the world, but wouldn't be ideal either. Ride home, get it. Go south instead of north, because I go north all the time now. No direct route east where I live, not without going north or south first, and no real reason to go west. It's all, you know, not fun things. Whoa! the fucking point? That was kind of sketch. Kind of sketch. Oh, you know what? That might be why I'm not feeling as comfortable. I don't have my hood out of my jacket. That little bit of extra layer around my neck regions. Pull over and fix that. TBH. Whoa, Hyundai, bro. Yeah. No hood. I have a hood, but it's not here. I want my hood back. Oh, I never knew where this comes up. Whoop, wind. Sorry. Bump, bump. Which way are you going, sir? Supposed to have a cold front the next couple of days, at least, like sub 20 Fahrenheit. I don't know what that's going to be in Celsius, to be honest. I know like 36 when I did that ride, 34 or 36 or something like that was 1 or 2. Obviously 32 is 0, so that's what this is today. But obviously, get your Celsius Fahrenheit conversions right, sir. I was out in 0 degrees today. Really, that's so cold. I don't think 32 is the Fahrenheit is that cold. I am a fan of Fahrenheit over Celsius, and the reason being, it's more specific. It's more specific. You get a better idea of how cold it is because what is it, like 1 Fahrenheit is like 1 Celsius is like 1.6 Fahrenheit or something like that. I don't remember what it is. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. I don't know. I guess I could just find some place to pull over. Good. You nearly made me dump my bike. Might as well go ahead. That was my own fault, not hers, but fuck her. We'll blame her. Wrong driveway, sir. I saw that. I seen it. There you go. Good job. Alright, can we do this while we're stopped? Since I haven't been at a real good stopping point yet. He digged it. No, I don't think I can do it. No, I can't feel with my hands, you know? It's alright.